Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Noor Kids Crafters. I'm your host Ellen and this is the show where we make awesome crafts for kids. So today we are learning to make the infinite cardboard building tool. When I was thinking of crafts that I enjoy building even more than I enjoy screens, this was the first one that came to mind. So let's get started. Alright, and that is how we make the infinite cardboard building tool. And this can just keep going and going and going. Make sure to give me a like and subscribe for more awesome crafts in the future. But until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.